process, but it is tips for buying and preparing eggplant. Some are intimidated by eggplant's spongy texture, and I used to be in my younger years. And many worry about the likelihood that their eggplant dish will taste bitter, although vegetarians do taste better. Regardless of what eggplant recipes you try, a few tips are helpful to follow before you start. Number 1, choose eggplants with smooth, shiny skin that are uniform in color. If the eggplant skin looks shriveled or somewhat discolored, do not buy it.